confidence. That's what it gives you. It gives you that confidence that was lacking before. Well, my smile before was awful. I was very conscious of the fact that my teeth were very discoloured. My smile was very crooked. I had quite small teeth, and they were sort of protruding at the front in places. I also had some previous dental work done years ago that had broken, and so I had chips and discoloration on those chips. So it was horrible to be talking to people and thinking that they're looking at your teeth and thinking that they're ugly. You're aware that you're not projecting your best self, and it makes you hold back, and I suppose my anxiety was around the fact that people would be looking at my teeth and making assumptions about me from them, and particularly I think for women, and women at work, and in positions of authority, I think particularly to project an image of everything being everything, and this was my flaw, and I didn't like people seeing that flaw. So yeah, it became a real big focus for me, and because of that you step back from people. You don't, when you're talking to people, you're kind of talking with a slight closed mouth, and it becomes hard, I think, to communicate effectively. I think for me, getting married was a big factor, and I wanted to be able to smile and not just do my normal, for years, closed mouth smile, like that, that kind of looks a little bit sarcastic. So I really wanted to sort it out, and now was the time. And I think it's safe to say before I was very afraid of the dentist, and it wasn't a pleasurable experience. I think it's the fact that you're in a vulnerable position. You've got lots of things happening around your face, which in the normal environment of the work you wouldn't have that. You don't experience that, and not being in control, I think is for me personally is quite a big thing. So there's that anxiety. There's the anxiety around pain, I suppose, is another big factor, and I think just the unknown. It's you don't really know what's happening, at the time, and you're absolutely putting yourself in the hands of somebody else in a very intimate way. Now it's completely different, and I have been made to feel very welcome and part of the whole experience, really. And I'm not afraid to come to the dentist anymore. I actually enjoy coming to the dentist, and I'm wondering what I'm going to do when I don't have to come to the dentist anymore.
Your time.
Yeah. Genuinely didn't know what to expect. There are difficult bits, but you're always kept informed. I've always been made to feel that it's okay to be afraid or nervous, or and I'm listened to. I've been listened to throughout the whole process. So if I say that, if I've said that I've felt anything, it's always been responded to immediately, and that's really reassuring. It's not just get in there and we're not, just shush and be quiet and we're getting on with this and you've got to go through this. It's a lot of time in the chair. It's a lot of poking and prodding, things you don't want. You don't want to experience, really. But at the end of it, you're going to see something and release something in you that you've not had before, and that's absolutely 100% worthwhile. And those days that you maybe have to sit in the chair for quite a long time, and you sort of feel like your mouth is just clamped open forever. They pass. They're moments, whereas this that I've got now, this is forever. All of it. Like, I couldn't, you know, it's changed my face. Now I don't even have to think about it. I mean, it's only been a few days and already it's, you know, like even now when I'm smiling talking to you, I'm not, in the back of my mind, I'm not thinking, close your lips, you know, pull back. It's just coming out of me. It's just radiating. I think it's amazing, and I think it's life-changing. So when I was at the nail salon and my son, who's 20, just popped by to say he was waiting for me, the lady that was doing my nails mistook him for my fiance, which, and I think, you know, and my family have said that having the new smile has made me look younger. Yes, absolutely, 100%. You know, if you can do it, because it is incredible. And that first time that you see the veneers in your mouth is, as much as you've just been through the mill for a bit and you probably can't exude happiness in the way that you want to, it's amazing.